Tired of booking a hotel only to find your room overlooks the parking lot? Let me show you exactly how to filter for pool views on Expedia so you can book with confidence. I will walk you through the whole process from start to finish. We will go from searching for a hotel to applying the pool view filter, right through to confirming your room details before you hit that book button. So let us start where you always start, on the Expedia homepage. Head over to Expedia.com. This might be a page you see all the time, but we are going to look at it with fresh eyes. First thing you will notice is a row of tabs across the top. Click on Stays. That tells Expedia you are looking for a hotel room and not a flight or a car rental. And here is the thing. Getting into the right tab first saves you from having to backtrack later. Now you will see the search fields in the middle of the screen. This is where you tell Expedia where you want to go. Type in your destination, so the city or the area you are interested in. Then pick your check-in date and your checkout date. And finally, add the number of adults and children who will be staying. Make sure you get this right because prices and room availability depend on it. When you are ready, click that big blue search button. This will take you to the results page, and this is where it starts to get fun. You are going to see a long list of hotels. They all look nice, right? But here is where most people get stuck. They just scroll and scroll, hoping to spot a pool view room. Do not do that. Instead, look for the filters section. It is usually on the left side of the screen, or maybe at the top if you are on a phone. This is your shortcut to the good stuff. Now pay attention to this part. Inside the filters menu, you will see a bunch of options, things like star rating, price range, and amenities. What you are looking for is a section labeled Room Features or Views. It might be called something similar like Room Type or View Preferences. Click on that section to expand it, and then look for the option that says Pool View. It is that simple. Just check that box. Not every hotel will have this filter, but if you see it, you are golden. It means you are telling Expedia, show me only the rooms that actually look out onto the pool. Once you select that filter, the page will refresh and the hotel list will update. You will only see hotels that offer a pool view room. Now you are no longer guessing. You are narrowing things down in a smart way. But do not book just yet. Here's the really important step. Click on one of the hotels that looks promising. Read the room descriptions carefully. Some hotels might have a pool view room category, but not all rooms in that hotel qualify. So look for the specific room name or description that mentions pool view. This is where I always double check because it saves so much disappointment later. And that is really all there is to it. From guessing and hoping, you are now searching with purpose. This is the kind of practical experience that saves you time and maybe even a bad view on your vacation. So the next time you book, you will know exactly what to do. Enjoy that pool view.